Hi Jules, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lucy, thanks for being here. And if you're not new and you've seen my other videos, then love you for coming back. Today's video is kind of different. As you can see, I have got no eye makeup on, which is rare, but it's because I'm going to be testing out the, I don't even know how to pronounce it, so we're off to a good start, but Diablo Lash Lift. Here is what it looks like. I'm sure you've all seen it. They have literally been advertising everywhere on Instagram. I've never seen anything like it, but I mean, go then. I'm scared. As you all know, we've been in isolation. I think it's been like 7 weeks in the UK now. I don't know about other countries, but oh my goodness. Normally I'm at the salon every 2 weeks getting my nails done, every month getting my brows done. Like, I'm suffering, and I'm sure a lot of other people are. Nails, I mean, let's just ignore them because they're a hot mess, but brows and lashes, I'm gonna try and tackle today. So yes, this is a lash lift kit, but I am gonna try and do my own brow lamination with it as well. I'm gonna start with lashes, and if they don't go very well, then we won't go on to brows, but right. As you can see, things are looking pretty crazy up there. Not the neat HD laminated brows that I normally love. I will put a little link here to me getting my brows laminated by my amazing brow lady, Laura. She's probably gonna be watching this thinking, please stop. But hun, I read today that the salons might be closed for another 6 months. We have got to take this into our own hands. Okie dokie. So it looks like this, cute. I have also got behind me some like cotton bud just in case we need any of that. I haven't even read the instructions yet, so lol. Okay, we've got a cleanser, we've got a fix, we've got a perm, we've got a nourish, we've got an adhesive, we've got a lash comb and lift pads. 5 pairs of lift pads to be precise. Use the cleanser to remove any dirt or oils from your lashes, then ensure they are dry. I'm actually so nervous. What if all my eyelashes fall out or something? Oh, let's do a little before so we can do a before and after to compare. So here's before. I've got a cotton pad. I'm just gonna pour a little bit on there. Probably gonna be taking my foundation off underneath my eye, so that'll look great. Was it unhygienic to use the same thing for both eyes? Pick out your desired lift pad. Desired? What does that mean? The different options. Then apply a good amount of adhesive to the underside of the pad. Place the pad along your eyelid lash line. Right. So we've got all these lift pads. Oh, okay. Okay, we've got small, medium 1, medium 2, and large. Is that the size of my eyelid? I don't think so, because they're all the same length. I'm gonna go with medium. Halfway seems like a safe choice. And I'm just gonna put glue along that side and then stick it to my eye. Try not to stick it to my actual eyelashes. Okay, that seemed quite easy. I look absolutely horrendous. Woohoo! Apply adhesive to the lash side of the pad, then wait 30 to 60 seconds for it to get tacky. Use the lash comb to lift your lashes onto the pad. Make sure your lashes are separated and straight, then let dry for 60 seconds. Right. This is unsticking already, so that's stressing me TF out. Lashes are not wanting to stick at the moment. I feel like I've watched other people's videos, they were like, oh, it's so easy, and I'm like, is it?
2,000 years later.
Okay, I mean, it's not awful. Using a cotton bud, apply the perm lotion along your lash line, root area. Cover with cling film and wait 15 minutes. I've just kicked the camera, so you're probably in a completely different location to what you were in a minute ago. Things coming unstuck from my eye, it's all going on. Oh, that does not smell very nice at all. I've got some on a cotton bud. I mean, how? Okay, I'm just gonna sit like this now. How long did it say for? Oh my goodness, stop, 15 minutes. Oh my goodness. Okay, that 15 minutes lie down was good for my, I keep kicking this, was good for my actual mental health because this is really stressing me out. As you can see, the ones down the bottom have all started coming off. I don't really know what I've done wrong there, but I'm hoping I can kind of correct it with the next step. It says on the box now to remove that. I don't really know how you're supposed to remove it, so I've just got to clean one of these and I'm just gonna kind of wipe them. Now, repeat with the fix lotion. I don't really want to fix them in this place because they're a mess. Let's try and stick these ones down again. Okay, I'm just gonna let that dry. Now we've got them stuck back down. Repeat process with a fix lotion, cover with cling film and wait 8 minutes. They give you a lot in each pot, to be honest, so I'm hoping, lol, already talking about doing this again when clearly I never want to do this again. But I'm hoping if it goes well, then I will be able to do this while I'm in lockdown for myself. If at the end I even think about saying that this was easy, then just remember that I don't believe that. Now I'm going to put the cling film over again, lie down for another 8 minutes for my sanity, and we'll be back. I'm thinking the eyelashes might not be a mess. They look like they kind of might be amazing, which I'm living for. So let's read the next step. Remove the fix with a cotton bud, then use the cleanser to remove any residue and gently remove the pad from your eyelids. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try and peel that off. Oh, wow. Okay, that is a big old difference. Oh my days, I'm shook. For all the mental breakdowns I had in that, it was worth every second. Look at the difference. I mean, that's absolutely wild, isn't it? Can't deal, can't get over, can't handle. Whoa. I'm gonna go and do the other eye off camera because I just don't feel like I need the stress of doing this one on camera. Then we're gonna tackle the brows. I've also brought a brow tint as well. So that's gonna be interesting to tint and laminate brows. Just put this Nourish stuff all through them. I just can't believe my eyelashes though. I know I told you earlier, if I say it was easy at the end, ignore me. It wasn't easy. But I feel like once you've done it once, it's fine. Like, I feel like I totes know what I'm doing now and I feel confident to do it again. Now eyebrows. So I'm gonna laminate them before I tint them. I'm just gonna do it that way around because that's what my brow lady normally does. Brows, thank goodness, I can do both at the same time. So hopefully this is gonna be a lot quicker. Here's a tip actually. I found that the adhesive dried really, really quickly. So when I put it across the whole eye and then was trying to glue up the lashes, that's why like some were falling down at the end because the glue hadn't dried there. So on this one, I glued the first bit, then the middle bit, then the end bit, and that worked so much better. So with my brows, I'm gonna brush through the glue at the front and then work my way along the edges. I'm gonna do the front of my brow kind of pushed quite up, and then as I get further out, I want the hair lifted because my hair does grow down, but I'm just gonna kind of brush it up and to the side rather than being directly up. Oh, I haven't cleaned my brows. Let's start by cleansing them like we're supposed to. Taking the perm lotion again, brushes through my brows, then put the cling film on, leave it for 15 minutes, and we'll see what we're working with. Okay, I feel like this is going quite well. Let's put the cling film over and wait 15 minutes and see what happens. I just thought I should actually show you quickly what I'm doing with the cling film, so I've literally just put it over like this. Lol. Okay, that has now been 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna take this off. The fix lotion is what scares me because I'm actually now fixing them in place, so I need them to be in the perfect place. Whoa, looking kind of werewolfy at the moment there, but we're gonna trim them and everything, so it's gonna be fine, I hope. I'm just gonna put the cling film over again, wait 8 minutes, and then I'll be back. My hairs are super up now, which is very exciting. Moving on to the tint, I bought the Eyelure Dye Brow. you can see here in dark brown. That was the only one in the shop. So lol, I think normally, I don't know what colours it actually comes in, but normally I would ask the person doing my brows for like a medium brown. So dark brown, I'm only gonna leave it on for like 5 minutes. The kit comes like this, and you've got activator and tint and a little hole to put it in. So it says to put 2 centimeters of tint, 5 drops of activator in, get that on my eyebrows, not on my skin at all, and brush it through with a little comb it came with. It says leave for 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna leave for 5 because I'm super nervous. And then we'll see how that looks. Then I will go off camera, trim and pluck my brows, and hopefully I'll be looking gorge at the end. Oh, I don't really know if that's gonna be enough, but I guess we can always make more. Putting this just on my brow hair. Now I'm gonna wait 5 minutes and hope that they don't go too dark. I can see this like developing on my skin, so I've definitely left it. Oh, where's my alarm? Stress Lucie is back. Let's just get this off. It said to use, oh, they're so dark, oh no. It said to use damp cotton pads, so that's what I'm doing. Oh no. They are so dark, I could cry. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Maybe it's just because they're wet. They'll fade. They will fade. Tell me they'll fade. They'll fade, right? They'll fade. I'm gonna go and trim these and pluck them and potentially cry because they're so dark, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm finished. Here's my finished look. I'm not mad, like, I think that I have done a pretty good job. I'm feeling proud of myself. I think they've gone quite well. Will I be absolutely running into the arms of my brow angel Laura at the end of this? Yes, and I'm promising to her that I will never do my brows at home on my own again. But I mean, for isolation, I do think these look better than they did before, so we're gonna roll with it. Wow, we had all the emotions in that video, and it's been a roller coaster, so thanks for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I need to go and like have a lie down and de-stress. Bye. Hi angels. So if everyone could just ignore how horrendous I look right now, that'd be great. So it's been like 48 hours since I did the lash lift. I was super happy with the results, as you saw just then. And then I kind of didn't wash my eyes or anything because it doesn't say to do that in the instructions. Went to sleep, woke up the next day, and I feel like my eyelashes had like carried on perming in the night or something because they were literally stuck down to my eyelid. It was like horrible. Not stuck, but they'd curled so much that they were just looping back round. So then I looked up YouTube videos on how to fix it and how to like reverse perm it. And I watched this girl's video and I did that this morning, and it has fixed the lashes, like they're not so curled anymore. But now my eyelids have like full on swelled up. They're really sore, and I think it's just probably overuse of the perm. I know you're meant to do it like once a month or something, so probably fixing it a day or two later was a dumb idea. But advice: when you take each solution off, the perm solution, the fix solution, do that with a wet cotton pad to really make sure the solution is off your eyes. And yeah, don't put it on your eyes like 2 days later because you'll end up like me maybe. So yeah, just to say, would I still use this again? Definitely on my eyebrows, I'm so happy with them. On my eyes, no. This is a kit that probably people should be trained to use, so please be really careful if you are going to use it, and be safe not to keep putting it on your eyes like I have, because now I'm in loads of pain, and the whole point was to make myself look good, and now I look awful. So please be careful. Love you all. Bye.